Position where for some reason you're not getting your security code being sent to you from Instagram. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend you to actually take a look at is to actually make sure you have a cell signal of some sort. In my, understanding and from my experience with this thing, anytime I try to go and get a security code from a multiple different, applications, not only Instagram, but Snapchat and, so many other things out there, if you aren't connected to a stable network connection, you will not be able to get a security code. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you're either connected to Wi-Fi. You also want to make sure you're connected to, your specific data plan of some sort. If you're receiving some sort of security code being emailed to you, then you want to keep refreshing your email. You want to make sure your email's not sent down or, not, the servers are down or whatever. But you also want to make sure that if they're texting you, you want to also make sure that your cell signal for your actual phone is, compliant. You want to make sure your phone number's still working, everything like that. Most of the time, this is just a glitch, meaning that sometimes the cell signal may be bad, Wi-Fi connection may not be the best, different things like that. That's typically what happens, and that's really all you have to do is just kind of wait it out, and eventually this, security code will be sent to you. Now, let's say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes passes, and you're still not getting the security code. What you want to do there is right here where it goes and tells you that, oh, this is sent to this email right here. If it is not your proper email or the email you're checking or the phone number that you're checking, you may want to go and double check that phone number, make sure everything's there is good. Most of the time it is. But right here where it says didn't receive your code, click get a new one. Get a new code, get that sent to you. A majority of the time, sometimes if their servers were down, if there were any issues like that, all you had to do is go ahead and just click get a new one, and they'll go ahead and resend you a new code to that specific source right there. And you want to go and click submit, and that's really all you have to do as of that point. Go and click submit, that code will be submitted to them, and that's really all you have to do at that point. Just go and go through, type in that code, click submit, and that should be good to go. If you're still not receiving it, another thing I would recommend doing is going into your app store and updating Instagram. So go through here, type in Instagram just like how I did. I can't believe that worked. Go and click here and update that specific Instagram application. If that still doesn't work, you may want to go and double check, downdetector.com or the comment section of this video and make sure Instagram is not actually down. If it's down, there's really not too much you have to do. You just have to wait until they bring their servers back up. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.